All right, we're back at it again with another speedy website build upload thing. And this time, or last time, we built a crappy website. Let me show you a crappy website. And in this episode, we're gonna upload that to AWS to have it hosted real quick. Okay, it is loading. It should be loading. Hello. Ah, there we go. There's our website. About me, Daniel Clark, blah, 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 blah. Sovereign Jira project cured cancer and Ebola virus and coronavirus. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get out of there and go back into the terminal. Get out of that. We're going to run npm run build. It's going to build for like a minute. If I had a faster computer, this would be maybe a little bit faster, but I mean, my computer's fine. It has like a Ryzen 1700. So there we go. That took like barely any time. So what it did is it created this build folder right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload this to AWS. So let me go on to AWS. All right, we're back, and we're in the AWS console now. And believe it or not, it was like a month since I last recorded that last piece. But so that's why I'm wearing a different shirt. But we're in the AWS console. If you do not have an AWS account, you can make one pretty simply. You do need the credit card information. So we're going to go to S3 for simple storage service. And we're going to create a bucket. I already have one created. But I'm going to create a new bucket. And you can call it anything you want as long as it's DNS compliant. And so that means kind of no one else can use it. So we can call that, and I guess it has to be at least 3 characters long. So Daniel Clark. I'm sure only that's taken. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Can't have uppercase characters. What am I doing? Now it should be. Wait, is this actually? No one's used Daniel Clark. Wow. All right, I gotta save this one then. So bucket name Daniel Clark. Next. Versioning. We can change that if we want to, but we don't really need any of this. We don't need encryption right now. Although it's kind of recommended if you're doing something in production to always encrypt something so that people can't really take it. So then we're gonna on the permissions tab, you're gonna automatically blocks all public access. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna uncheck that, and then you can check these 2 boxes here. So block public access to buckets and objects granted through new access ACLs, access control lists, and that granted through any access control list. So new and any, and then you have to acknowledge that that this is public, so that you know what you're getting into, because anyone can access this at this point. And then you can leave these unchecked, because we need these to be unchecked. We need cross-account access, and we need block public access to buckets and objects granted through new public bucket or access point policies. Yeah, we need those to be unchecked. And then we'll create bucket. This is just telling you what it all is happening. And then boom, we got the Daniel Clark bucket. We can go, so now it's just a blank bucket, nothing in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to static website hosting. We're going to use this bucket to host a website. And then we're going to go to in the index document, we're going to call it index.html. And then index.html will also be the error document. And this is because of a React thing. That's why you need to put in both. So we're going to click save there. There we go. And then we need to go to permissions into the bucket policy. And then you'll have to paste in a bucket policy. And then I'll link this policy in the description. But you're going to need to change the bucket name. So originally just an example bucket. So we're just going to put our bucket name, which is Daniel Clark here. So it'll click save, or you click save, and eventually it'll say this bucket has public access. And we're recommending you don't do this except for like static website hosting. But okay, so now that we have that, now let's upload something. So we'll click upload, and then we'll go to our website, or the file for our website, and then we have this build file which we generated with npm run build. And we'll go to that and drag and drop everything into this S3. Upload, we don't need to do anything else. And then, ideally, if we go to properties, static website hosting, you'll see the URL. So you click it, and there we go. We are here into the website that we made in the last video, or in a previous video. So we have the website, everything works fine. About me is fine. Projects, cured cancer, it's all great. Cured coronavirus for more modern things. And there we go. We see up here that the website has s3.website.us east 1 Amazon AWS.com. And you can change that. You have to use Route 53 and whatnot, but that'll cost like $15 or $13 to buy a domain, and then you have to host like $2 a month. But you can change that if you want to make it like more personal. But anyways, that's a very quick video on how to upload a video or upload a website to AWS. Thanks for watching.